Namaste. Namaste and a very, very warm welcome to Women of Wonder Coffee Table Edition's special podcast today. This is our initiative to bring to you stories of inspired and ambitious women so that we can all take inspiration from them. My guest today is really, really special because some journeys they begin with ambition, the others begin with a loss. Today's guest did not choose healing as a career. Healing chose her through heartbreak. That is the story that we want to present to all of you. A few days before her delivery, she lost her child. What followed that was not just grief, it was panic attacks, it was emotional collapse, it was a confrontation that the pain refused to stay silent. And from that darkness, she found her purpose for life that she lives even today. Today, she guides people through how to manage trauma, emotional release, and conscious living, reminding that healing is not weakness, it is a power that everybody can reclaim in your lives. This is the story of Dr. Harmeet Kaur, and I'm very, very excited to welcome you on our podcast today. Thank you for joining us, Dr. Harmeet.
Thank you, Rima, for inviting me.
Amazing. I want to start with deep diving into your story of how you found your purpose, right? So, walk us through what happened that time. I know you lost your child very, very close to the delivery, and that changed a lot of things. That was a lot of pain, lot of grief. But how did that moment give you the strength that you have today?
Strength usually doesn't mean courage, power, or to break the world and break the boundaries. Sometimes strength means holding it together, holding your world together, which is shattered just because of your unbearable loss. So, yes, sometimes strength means getting out of your bed when you don't feel like doing anything. Sometimes strength means letting it go of the pain because just because of your loved ones are also waiting. Okay,
Mm,
not only I have lost something, but my own girls and my husband, everyone has lost something. So, strength doesn't mean that okay, you are powerful and through everything, but strength means to continue to live, love, and breathe after the unbearable loss.
So I want to talk about it that when you had the loss, you had a lot of emotional breakdown, maybe panic attacks, anxiety. It all comes with losing somebody so dear to the heart. Did the pain manifest physically also? What happened? Like, how did you start get into the journey of healing?
So yes, I manifested pre-diabetic. I manifested liver issues, type 1 liver issues. So I manifested hypertensions. Uh, it is I was thinking that I'm just not doing my exercise or not continuing my yoga, that's why I'm getting this. But somewhere I read the book, your body keeps the score. So from there I realized that this is what I'm manifesting it as a physical pain. Usually when you feel that when you have a fear for starting something new or when you have lost something, you get a churning in stomach. But this is the
Mm,
starting that body showing the sign, but we don't
mm,
realize. But me, I was very active in life, and then suddenly I have just ended up in attracting, manifesting type 1 diabetes and everything. I said something is wrong. Then I realized that yes, this pain which my nervous system is feeling unsafe and I'm manifesting it as a disease.
mm. So that all led to your own healing journey, right? And that eventually it led to Zaria that you run today, right? But the Zaria by Dr. Hamid, which is your venture. So tell me a lot more about what exactly is healing. How do you blend science and spirituality together? What is trauma backed life coaching? मतलब मुझे एक बेसिक भाषा में समझाओ कि आप क्या करते हो?
सो बेसिक भाषा में हम मैं ये समझाना चाहूंगी कि हमारे जो बीते जब हम छोटे थे, बचपन में थे,
mm,
या हमारी फैमिली के थ्रू जो हमें सिखाया गया है मनी एंजाइटी के बारे में, मनी के थॉट्स प्रोसेस के बारे में, या रिलेशन के बारे में, जैसे हमने लड़ते हुए देखा है, अगर हमने हमारे बचपन में अपने माँ-बाप को लड़ते हुए देखा है, देन इफ माय पार्टनर इज़ आल्सो गुड, taking care of me, but still this peace, this safety, this happiness, my nervous system is like, no, यहाँ पर कुछ गड़बड़ है। इवन शांति और खुशी भी नर्वस सिस्टम को लगेगी नहीं, क्योंकि हमने हमारे बचपन में देखा है chaos, fights, stress. So this way, Zaria, I have shown it's a path from your chaos life, your lost life, to the path of happiness and peace and success. So after coming to Dubai, I have like house, car, everything, money, everything, but the peace was not there. So भाग-भाग कर अगर आपके पास पीस नहीं मिला तो आपने क्या ही लिया ज़िंदगी में? So that's why I started finding like there should be the some way where I can have peace. So I'm from basically from Sikhism, so where we don't believe in astrology or shortcuts. So
mm,
this nervous system needs, I'm a doctor also, साइंस
mm,
तो कुछ तो होगा, कुछ लॉजिक लगाओगे, कुछ
mm,
टेक्निक्स लगाओगे, तो मेरा मेरा खुद का माइंड बिलीव करेगा कि हाँ, ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है, या दिस इज़ द वे। सो आई स्टार्टेड व्हाट माय मेंटर्स सेड टू फॉलो, I started following 100% with heart. I
mm,
start finding results, and the results were permanent. And also I got the
mm.
tools so that I can whenever something or the other problem comes, I don't get panic, and I find it like this is something that my nervous system is not allowing me, and I need to get it out of my nervous system so that I can have peace, positive boundaries around the people, have wonderful, peaceful life.
Mm. So you talk about long-term transformations, right? आप आजकल तो इतने सारे healing trends हैं. There are trending. Healing is trending in the market. It's a
Yes, yes.
buzzword, I will be honest. But how do you use the combination of the coaching you use from Akashic records to family constellations to yoga? How do you use accountability, long-term transformations into your practice?
So ev- uh, every modality has a
Mm,
different way of saying. Family
mm,
constellation is what you're carrying from your generation. Some
mm,
of like general common India, Pakistan के partition के वक्त, my great grandparents
mm,
came from there. So
mm,
I have many trauma from that, which
mm,
subconsciously I also don't know that I have inherited from there. So
mm,
using that techniques, but a person like a general common person will say how that will affect now, but I was
mm,
still affecting like this, as if there is a war. If I'm getting late by 5 minutes, I will create a war situation in my house because
mm,
something and if I will not reach at time. So this way, situation, blending it together, what makes me specialized is that yes, sometimes our soul has also like ये पिछले पता नहीं मैंने तो इस बंदे का कुछ बिगाड़ा नहीं है, but why I have to pay him? Why I
mm,
have to give him the, why he is punishing me? So
mm,
it is like
mm.
past life karma you have attached to that soul. So from that soul, again in Akashic reading, we read what your soul has that connection with that person, and how it is affecting it now. And then masters in the spirit world, masters rewrite that Akashic reading, and then the person gets better in life. So
Okay.
they don't attack the same loop situation again.
Hmm. And you often say that life should be lived on our own shoulders. है ना? आप बोलते हो ये काफी बार. What does that mean for someone who's waiting to be rescued?
A bitter truth, अब आप रेस्क्यू कर लो,
Hmm.
भाग लो जितना भागना है, बट
Hmm.
आज नहीं तो कल सबकॉन्शियसली इट विल बी ट्रांसफर्ड टू योर जनरेशंस,
Okay.
ठीक है?
Hmm.
सो भाग सकते हो, भाग लो, बट आपका पेन आपका है, वो मेरा
Hmm.
नहीं है, ठीक है? मैं
Hmm.
आपको बोल सकती हूँ कि आपको इस लाइक सिटिंग ऑन अ काउच, सिंपल एग्जांपल, सिटिंग ऑन अ काउच, ईटिंग, ठीक है? ईटिंग एंडलेस, माइंडलेस ईटिंग, बट वो जो वेट है उसकी वज़ह से आपका नी पेन होने वाला है, आपका शोल्डर
Mm,
पेन होने वाला है, आपकी साँसें फूलने वाली, वो पेन आपका है।
mm,
हाँ, सो इफ यू आर रेस्क्यूइंग इट, इट्स ऑल योर चॉइस, ठीक है? बट इफ यू आर
mm.
फेसिंग इट विथ टेकिंग द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ योर ओन लाइफ एंड देन स्टैंडिंग फॉर योरसेल्फ, योर अपकमिंग जनरेशन will also be healed.
Got it. And what is, especially because, at Indian Women in Dubai, we work with women, right? So, what is the most common emotional pattern you have seen with women struggling today? Because आपके patients जब आपके पास आते हैं, आपके clients जब आपके पास आते हैं, what do you notice these days?
मैं बेचारी अबला नारी,
mm,
मेरे पास कोई
mm,
मेरे पास कोई साधन नहीं है, या
yeah.
मैं ही हूँ
Mm,
जिसको सारा पेन है, या
mm,
ओवर गिविंग इन एवरी सिचुएशन, आइदर इन नौकरी और आइदर इन जॉब, आइदर इन रिलेशनशिप, आइदर इन किडिंग, they don't give their self love, they don't give themselves any priority for any
mm,
activities, और
mm,
अगर वो दे दिया भी, उन्होंने अपनी लाइफ को प्रायोरिटी दे भी दी, तो उनके दिमाग में एक गिल्ट आ जाता है, हाय! मैं मेरे बच्चे घर है और मैं मेरी लाइफ एन्जॉय कर रही हूँ, या मैं नाइट आउट में आई हूँ। जैसे आईडब्ल्यूएन में बहुत सारे, आईडब्ल्यूडी में बहुत सारी नाइट आउट पार्टीज़ होती है। सो लाइक दे आर क्राइंग एंड क्रिपिंग, इवन देयर हस्बैंड्स आर अलाउइंग कि आप जा
mm,
सकते हो, आप पार्टी कर सकते हो, पर
mm,
उन्होंने अपने दिमाग में बस, मेरी तो भई लाइफ खत्म है, मैं अगर गई हूँ तो गिल्ट
mm,
हो गया है। मैंने कुछ बहुत
mm.
बड़ा अपराध कर दिया है।
गिल्ट इज वेरी रियल, राइट? स्पेशली मॉम्स गिल्ट तो सुपर रियल है कि घर से निकल गई तो बच्चों का करियर फिनिश हो जाएगा, हस्बैंड का खाना कौन
हाँ जी।
बनाएगा, ऑल ऑफ दैट. बट ओके, सो व्हाट डू यू वांट टू टेल इफ somebody is watching this and suffering very quietly and suffering, what is the one truth that they need to hear?
गेट अप, स्टैंड अप, एंड प्लीज़ रियलाइज़ कि ये आपकी
mm,
नहीं है, आपकी आने वाली जनरेशन फेस करेगी। आप चाहते हो सेम आपका सन और डॉटर, योर ग्रैंडसन, योर डॉटर, ग्रैंडडॉटर वांट टू फेस दिस? इफ नॉट,
mm,
देन प्लीज़ stand up, not for you, but your upcoming generation. If you will stand up, not only upcoming generation, not only you, even the generation who has gone, even आपकी जो दादी नानी होगी, वो दूर
mm.
ऊपर बैठे आपको आशीर्वाद देगी, yes, you stood, we could not stand for ourselves, but you stood for yourself.
Beautiful, very nice. Now, if this conversation, for everybody who's watching this, if this conversation feels closer to home for you, just know that seeking support and getting up, getting out of the house is not surrender. It is really courage facing your situation. चलो
Yes.
थोड़ा सा light बनाते हैं, Dr. Harmeet. I want to have a little bit of a rapid fire round. I want to know you more. Okay, so
Okay.
quick questions, direct dil se is what I call this round. Ki dil se, let's
Right.
get to know you a little bit more. Um, Tell me about healing in one word. How do you define it?
Alright. Sorry, rapid fire में.
It's okay. It's okay. We'll leave this question out. We'll just edit this question out when it goes live. Just check it. Okay. Yoga or meditation?
Yoga.
One ritual that you will never skip.
Kumbhak. Breathing, holding the breath, letting it
इसको
go.
इसको इंग्लिश में आजकल बॉक्स ब्रीदिंग कहते हैं, राइट? वही
Yes.
है.
Yes.
ओके.
Yoga में kumbhak.
कुंभक. ओके. स्पिरिट और स्ट्रक्चर?
Structure. Science doctor हूँ, structure.
What has grief taught you?
डर के आगे जीत है.
um, Dubai or India?
Dubai. Home, away from home.
Beautiful. Chai or coffee?
Chai. Correct.
Ladies night or business meetups?
Business meetup.
बहुत ही बढ़िया. Describe Dubai in your own world, right? We are living in Dubai. We are here in Dubai. Tell us more about it.
ये a home away from home, India, without the problems of India.
Yes, exactly. And tell us about your venture, Zarya, in a few words. What are you intending to do? What does it do?
So, God has given you a beautiful life. Somewhere you have lost it with your own emotions and with your own kachra of mind. So,
Hmm.
I want to be a Zaria where I want to show you the path from your lost chaos life to a beautiful, happy, peaceful life. Yeah,
Wow, what a
Zaria.
beautiful summary. And what's your message, final message for everybody watching this episode, especially the woman who would be watching these episode, right? What message would you like to give to every Indian woman in Dubai?
So I want to give a message. Please take a small step, a
Mm,
small courage
mm,
to speak your own heart out, to speak what you dream, to speak what you mean for life. आज जबरदस्ती हर एक प्रेशर को मत लो. हर चीजें बातें करने से हमेशा it doesn't end with the fights.
mm,
There is a
mm.
way of communication also. So communicate your feelings, communicate your dreams, communicate, work on it, and you will surely find a path.
Amazing. Communicate more, and you will find the path. That is the message from
Yes.
our Woman of Wonder Coffee Table Special Book Edition. Dr. Harmeet, it was lovely chatting with you, lovely getting to know you more. And for everybody watching this, please make sure you check out our full Coffee Table Book Edition where we have a special feature on her. You have to check it out. If you like this episode, please like, subscribe, and share this with one friend whom it might give some inspiration. If she's struggling in silence, if you feel she's suffering, maybe she needs to have come and have a chat with Dr. Harmeet and explore her feelings and why she's feeling that day. Maybe her solution is not that far away, and you can be the connection in that. With that, thank you so much for joining us. We'll be back with another Women of Wonder very, very soon. Namaste.